So now we will move to the disaster management. As such, we have finished the important disasters that occurs in India and the introduction of that. So now we will finally move to disaster management. So जो disaster management है, that basically deals how can we control and how can we mitigate the effects of these disaster which occurs in our country. So it has some points like construction of shelters, embankment, reservoirs, other than that it focuses on afforestation mainly, to decrease the extent of disasters. Other than that, it focuses in implementation of disaster management bill 2005. So afforestation basically it decreases the wind speed, the water speed during the flood, and so many reasons. Because of that, it deals with the afforestation also. So how these mitigations are done under this disaster management? So basically they deals in three processes. One is pre-disaster management, or second is during disaster, and third one is after disaster. So like mitigation and preparedness. So in this one they deal with in three patterns. One is pre-disaster, second one is during disaster, and the final is post disaster. So in pre-disaster basically it generating the information and providing, so basically generating the information regarding the disaster which may happen and how to control over this and how to mitigate all those things, and providing those informations among the people. So second one in this is the basically prepare the vulnerability map of country, that in which places we may have the or high risk zones. So like that they prepare the vulnerability map also in this, and like spreading awareness among the people, and finally disaster planning. These all things are done under pre-disaster. So now the second one is during disaster. So during disaster means they generally help the victims, so like making the rescue and relief camps, so during disaster, in this one, relief and rescue operations, so under which like creating rescue camps and evacuation of the people which are affected in those areas, providing shelter to them, and then like supplying them food, water, medicines, clothes, all the required things, the basic required things providing to those victims. So all these things are done under during disaster. And the final thing comes, it's post disaster. So in post disasters they basically analyze the causes and the effects of that disaster, and other than that they do the rehabilitation for the victims and recovery of the victims and analyzing the situation, so how they can deal with it better for the next disaster, pre-planning for the next disaster. So this is all about the mitigation and preparedness under disaster management. So this was the last topic in it, and so now we have covered the final topic, final subtopic of our chapter natural hazards and disaster, and we with this over this chapter. Thank you everyone.